Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Janmani Tavasad. Why this? That is my question.
God is the knower everywhere.
Huh?
He is there every time. Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhu. Lord was in the past, present. He is in the past as well as present in the future. There is no question.
And
God
I
is
was
God.
also. I am also Nitya.
No, we are not.
God
Nitya.
is Nitya, Nityanam.
Nitya Barabar, but we are Jeev. As long as I am
Then
Jeev, I cannot do
Dvaitavad.
it. Huh.
Then Dvaitavad.
Dvaitvad has to come. As long as you are in the body, you are Dvait. You cannot say when you are in the body that you are the God.
We are always Dvaitva.
Yes, as long as you are in the body, if you have got the body consciousness,
And
you are always in Dvaita.
body,
No, what I feel, sorry.
yeah.
If I have got a body consciousness, that I am the body, I am Shah, then I am Dvaita and I should be your servant. And I am,
No.
I cannot say that I am the Lord.
No.
But if I forget
Well,
to
this is
complete
a-
body consciousness,
Body consciousness, that is ignorance.
body,
That is just like you are dressed with this heart. If you think that you are sad, that is your ignorance.
body
That's
consciousness.
first of all try to understand.
Yes.
If you think that you are a sad,
Ah.
that is ignorance,
That is
gross ignorance.
Correct, correct.
And if I have got this sal,
Ah.
if I think I am sal, that is my ignorance.
No, Sal is
But
ignorant.
either sal or sat, we are all individual. Let's try to understand. This is ignorance. But ignorance or knowledge, we are all individual.
Body consciousness, what I mean is that suppose somebody insults me.
Huh?
Suppose somebody insults, you see a God-minded person, and that God-minded person thinks, well, he is insulting his body and not the living entity in me. That means he has lost the body consciousness. Somebody beats with a stick. When he goes
No,
round about.
that is ignorance. I have already
But
explained.
I feel, you see, it is not ignorance.
Ignorance.
If he feels in the true sense.
Now, my point is, either you are in ignorance or in knowledge.
Yes, correct.
You are individual. Absolute. Why so long? Yeah.
Came early.
Yes, we are,
But,
we are correctly there.
But we thought he will come late, so we went late.
So you are lost.
No, don't.
Either you are ignorance or in knowledge. Both cases, you are individual.
Yes. In knowledge also you are individual.
Yes.
How?
Knowledge means,
Knowledge of God.
yes, knowledge means knowledge of yourself. When you are actually in knowledge, then you will surrender to Krishna. Bhaunam janmanam ante jnanavan mang prabuddha. That is knowledge. So long you do not surrender to Krishna, you are in ignorance. Now, in ignorance, I am surrendered to my wife. But, and in knowledge, I will have to surrender to Krishna.
Correct.
That's all.
Both the times you are individual. Both the times you are individual. Correct.
Nitya Nityana.
Nityo Anityana.
Huh?
Some people say Nitya Nityanam also.
No,
Nityo
no.
Nityanam some also say. Nityo Nityanam.
Chetanam.
Chetana
Well,
Chetano
one
Chetanam.
who says Anitya, he's a rascal.
I have read both the
I will
types.
say you,
Both the types.
how the jivas can be Anitya.
No, it cannot be.
Then Nitya.
They mean Anitya means all the,
Temporary.
matter.
Effervescent.
Nitya in the matter, in the form
As
of
soon as they say
Atma.
Anitya, then they duality. There is no oneness.
So I have read both the type of explanation, Nitya and Anitya.
No, there is no one who says Anitya. Anitya.
Nityo Nityanam Chetano Chetananam.
Yeah.
ये विदधाति
एको जो
एको
बहुनाम
विदधाति बहुनाम
विदधाति कामा.
कामान. Iteration. That means
Nitya Nityana. That means we, Jiva, we are plural number. And the Supreme Lord is singular number. So what is the difference? The difference is the Eko jo Bahunam Vidadhati Kam. That Bahuvachan, Nityana, they are maintained by the singular number.
eko बहुनाम ये विदधाति कामान. He is only one, but he is, I mean, fulfilling the wishes of so many and all, because he actually
He is feeding everyone. He is feeding his devotee as well as non-devotees. The non-devotees are also provided by God. The non-devotees, they are not independent. They are also dependent.
but nothing
But
is
they do
independent.
not acknowledge.
They don't understand.
Just like the prisoners, they are also maintained by government. And those who are not prisoners, they are also maintained by government. The prisoners is outlaw. They do not recognize the government. That is prisoner. Criminals. But both of them are provided by the government. And so far individuality is concerned, that is mentioned in the second chapter. Krishna says that you, me, and all the soldiers and kings, they are before existing like this. They are existing now like this, and they will continue to exist. The individuality is always. Krishna never said that, that after this we shall become a homogeneous mass. Never says. Individual.
Just as the bees gather honey from different trees.
Yeah.
And when
They
whole
keep their
mass comes from
individuality.
each, I mean, small particle of honey does not know that it is from particular tree. Like that, you become after the whole thing gets what you call the deluge.
Those, the collector, they remain individual. After and before. And while on the beehive, always individual. That is the point. When they begin collecting honey, they are individual. And after collecting, when they make a beehive, they are individual. Or when they are sitting on the beehive, they are individual. Eternal. This is eternal. Nitya Nityana Chetana Chetana. What is that? Mamaivangsa Jiva Suti?
मम एव अंशो जीवलोको जीवभूते सनातना मनः सत्तानीन्द्रियाणि शरीर स्थानि कर्षति प्रकृति स्थानि कर्षति
Yeah.
शरीरं यद्वाप्नोति यच्चाप्युत्तमस्तीश्वरः गृहीत्वैतानि
So,
संयाति
the
वायुगन्धानि
Shariram Jad Avapnati. They get different body, but they are individual. They are individual.
They are individuals, still there is a salvation.
Huh?
And after they
And salvation means when they cease to accept the material body. That is salvation. No,
I
Shariram
read
Jad
the-
Avapnati. So Avapnati means it was not, in the spiritual body there was no such thing. But they accept this material body.
this morning I read a very good this thing from Srimad Bhagavatam, from 11th.
Like they, every day say.
It's a wonderful thing.
Every day I say that.
लोकस्य चक्षु
सूर्यो अथा एक लोक
न लिप्यते चक्षु बाह्य लोक
दोष है
तथा अंतरात्मा
We are servants. That I have explained several times. Yesterday also explained. That our constitutional position as servant cannot be changed. Just like Sudra, servant. What is called here? The servant class. What do you say?
Tamar, what?
No, no.
Servants.
The domestic servant, what is it? Rama.
Rama.
This is really Rama. Because they are all. No, but I have read in
No, no,
Manusmriti that all these Shudras also after the age of 40 years they come to the stage of Brahmins. I don't know how.
No, no. There is no bar. One may be uneducated now. He can be educated.
Swakarmana tam abhyarcha, he becomes the Brahmin.
Huh?
Swakarmana tam abhyarcha, he becomes the Brahmin after 40
No,
years
no.
of age.
Sakarmanatam abharcha.
Because he by his own action becomes Brahmin because he does the service and
anyone who is engaged in the archan of the Supreme is neither of these, Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. He is Brahma. He is realized Brahma.
Brahm bhuto bijayate.
Yeah. He is no more Shudra or Brahman. In the material world, even if you become a Brahman, that is not a very good position. That is Maya. I am Brahman.
No, but the sannyasis are beyond all the four
They are
varnashrams.
also. They are also. Therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has denied. I am not a sannyasi, I am not a Brahman, I am not a Kshatriya, I am not a Vaishya. None of this. He said, Gopi Bhattu Pada Kamale Dasa Dasa. I am the servant of Gopi Bhattu. That is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's identity. So, those who are actually engaged in the service of the Lord, they are beyond, transcendental to the position
Yes, yes.
of Brahman, Kshatriya,
हम
Vaishya.
बोले
Yeah.
ना हम रूपों में
Chidananda Rupa Shivoham.
The
That
followers
is-
are Mayavad.
that is not-
Shankaracharya was not Mayavad.
That is not. I don't. If I say I am not Indian, I am not American, I am Brahma, that is not
That is
Mayavada.
not my word.
Because I am Brahma, actually.
તમે બોલો ફરી
But,
Om Mano Buddhi Hankar Chittani Naham No Sattva
Yes.
Jive
yes,
Navima Bhumi.
I do not belong to any of
Anything.
this material thing.
Chidananda Hom.
That is not Mayavad.
Acha.
But the Shankaracharya's interpretation is Ghatakas Patakas. Ghatakas Patakas.
Yes, Gataka.
Just like within the pot there is Akash, and outside the Akash, outside the pot there is Akash. So when the pot is broken,
Both is one.
both the Akash become one.
Yes.
That is his theory.
That is his theory.
But
That is
he does not accept that individuality.
Gatakash is not Gatakash
Hare
remains
Krishna.
Gatakash.
He does not remain. How can he remain? ये हम वो भी theory accept कैसा करे difficult है.
Huh?
हाँ.
No,
There is only one Akash. There cannot be multiple Akashis, even
no,
in Ghat or Pat or anywhere.
But that you cannot compare. Therefore I said that everyone is individual.
As long as God
That-
is there, is a Gatakash.
That within the God, that cannot be compared. The analogy is wrong. Within the God, the Akash, that is not individual.
That's what I say.
Yes, but we are individual.
That is individual Akash. As long as God is there, you are individual Akash. That is correct.
All these analogies are nirdeshas. Nothing can explain or nothing can describe Brahma beyond the reach of the mind and the tongue
But-
and all the intelligence of the man.
Therefore, tadviddhi upadakshati tatjnanam
They
jnanina
can-
tattvadarshina.
Tattvadarshina.
The tattvadarshi can.
Tattvadarshi can only do it.
One who is
Shruti-
blind,
That's
one who is
direct.
blind,
Only Shruti
one who is
Brahman
blind,
capable to
he cannot.
That's right. What is
You cannot. You do not go to a blind man. Therefore, it is said that vidhi pranipadana, where you shall surrender. You are blind. If you surrender to a blind man, what is the benefit?
Who surrenders your ego should surrender, not the body.
No, no. First of all, try to understand. You can surrender to a person when you think that this person is
Knows. Yes, yes, realized the
better than me.
Yes, realized it.
Yeah, Guru.
Guru.
Guru means he is heavier than me.
Heavier, correct.
So otherwise, why is the question of surrender? Nobody wants to surrender.
But to the heavier,
Heavier means in knowledge.
According to the law of Newton, also heavy articles attract the light articles. Like you are heavier
Really,
than light.
Newton was
I
a
am
rascal.
attracted even though you are calling me
You know
rascal.
Newton was a rascal?
I am also one.
Newton was a rascal. He
Number
made two holes in the door. And one friend comes, why you have made these 2 holes in your door? He said, there are 2 cats,
Bigger for the bigger and smaller.
bigger and the smaller. So let them go out. So he asked, with the bigger hole, the smaller hole cannot go? Yes, you're right.
One day you may realize this. What is to say?
Any conditioned soul, he may be Newton or this or that, they are all rascals.
No, but some of the highest,
No,
scientists
nobody
have
has,
been
because
always
everyone,
realize the presence of God.
everyone is ignorance.
Ignorance is right, but lower
That-
knowledge
that's
is
what
ignorance.
rascal.
Lower knowledge is ignorance. It is
Yeah.
the Brahma knowledge is right.
So therefore you have to, therefore the indication is tadviddhi panipatina pariprasnena seva. You should go and take knowledge.
But I talk of the Einstein. Einstein.
Anyone.
Somebody asked Einstein,
Einstein.
do you believe in God? Say, how can you not believe in God? God is everywhere and I feel the presence of it.
Hmm.
That is the real scientist.
Yeah.
Not the other fellows who say there is no God and all these things, the atoms and all.
But still he does not know that Krishna is God.
That is,
that
all
is
names
ignorance.
are of God.
That
And
is
our
ignorance.
quarrel between us.
No, no, that is ignorance. Mudha, Maya Puritajnana.
Chalo,
As soon as he does not know Krishna, he is ignorant. Therefore it will take time. Bhaunam janmanam ante. When actually he becomes a man in knowledge, then he surrenders. So long one does not know Krishna, he is a fool. That is our definition. Yeah, Mr. Shah, I am right or not?
You are right, sir.
No, he will, even though you may not be, he will say right because he is very much frightened of you calling him a, what do you call me? Mood. He is very, well, I am a vagabond type of man, thick skin. You may call me anything, I don't mind. You see? But he,
After all the views, you see, everybody is right in his own views. You see, you cannot, you see, after all the views are given by the God. Like Jnana Shakti comes from the Almighty and not yours.
You are right.
Yes,
Krishna says,
yes.
Sarvasya chahang ridhi sannivishya.
Matta smriti jnana po.
So why Krishna gives you less knowledge and others more knowledge? Why?
Because you are
Is Krishna partial?
No, it's as long as you are more conscious, he gives you more.
No,
knowledge.
no, no. Conscious everyone.
If you are away from
Because-
it, the knowledge will be less.
Jijathamang prabodhan. Because his surrender is not full.
Surrender is not full.
Therefore, he is also not fully
He
realized.
is not fully correct.
That is the point.
That's correct.
Jijathama, that very word, prabodhan.
Prapadyan.
Jijathamang prabodhan.
Dance the
So if your surrender is 25%, then Krishna is realized 25%. If your surrender is 10%, then Krishna is realized 10%.
can I say this way? Yatha and tatha. The way he surrenders, the way I
That
give.
means proportionate.
Why proportion? Why not other way? The way I surrender in the lower knowledge of science is, well, he has given me the knowledge of science.
Just like
They have given me you the
Krishna-
knowledge of higher knowledge of Brahma.
Krishna is
Yatha and tatha.
Paramatma, Brahma and Bhagavan. So if you surrender to Brahma, so you realize Brahma.
That's it.
If you surrender Paramatma, you realize Paramatma. And if you surrender to
To your
Bhagavan,
wife,
you realize Bhagavan.
You get the roti.
Huh?
If you surrender to the wife, you get the roti. In the morning.
30 they open. We have to wait.
We will have to order them to open early. You have the
No,
you are the man to
Why
order.
shall I? That duty must be finished. You cannot ask God that you...
No, no, what?
God, please open hand to see.
Yes, you order God the
No, no. I can order, but that is not my business.
That is he understands your order. Even though you don't say by mouth, God understands his bhaktas and
but
obeys the
it
bhaktas.
is not my order to order God.
No, it's not your order, but your mind he understands immediately that he comes.
Now, why shall I think like that?
Because
No, that is not
no,
bhakti.
you are not thinking. He thought
No,
automatically.
that is not
comes.
bhakti. You cannot think of that God may do like this. No.
No, God does like that. Why he do?
Huh?
He-
No, you say that you order Krishna.
I don't
think.
say you order. He automatically he fulfills your desire. There is no question of your order.
Therefore, we should be desireless.
Desireless, yes. But desirelessness also
Annavilasita
is fulfilled.
sunnam. That is bhakti. Annavilasita sunnam. Annavilasita means as God desires, let it happen. Not according to my desire. That is bhakti. As soon as you impose your desire, that is not bhakti. Why should you impose your desire? God is ready to fulfill the desire of his devotee immediately.
Yes.
He's so ready. But a devotee never desires. He does not like to bring God to fulfill his desire. No, that is not pure devotee.
Because he has surrendered and he feels that God
Yes.
knows what is required.
પેલા
God.
માણસો જલ્દી કામ નથી કરી શકતા ભગવાનની પેલા શણગાર કરવા એટલા But now the
Yeah.
sun is rising earlier and earlier. That is right. See, we can everything.
Bhakti, pure bhakti, annavilasita sunnam. No desire from the part of the devotee. Jnana karmadana amritam. Anukullena Krishna anusilanam.
Yes.
What Krishna likes, that we should do. Krishna likes that you surrender.
Yes.
Or we should surrender. That's all. That is the beginning of bhakti. If you don't surrender, you keep your individuality. That is not bhakti.
There is no bhakti wisdom.
That is not bhakti may be there, but it is not pure 100% bhakti.
It is not pure bhakti.
Yeah.
Surrendering means you commit the suicide of your ego before
There is
him.
no suicide in that.
No, no. Surrender means surrender. Now you can interpret in a different way.
That is my interpretation.
But why should interpret? Surrender means you surrender.
What surrenders? Not the
No,
body,
whatever
but
you
your
have got.
individuality. An individuality is made up of
Yeah.
ego.
Huh?
So ego surrendering.
Yes, yes.
Surrender is embracing the.
You are not only ego,
embracing
you
the,
are combination of so many things.
Beloved
But
embraces
ego is
the
the
beloved.
top. Ego is the master of the whole
complete
thing.
surrender.
Yeah.
After all, ego is the president of all aggregate.
That surrender has been explained by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. He has written a nice song. Manasa deha geha jo kichu mora. It is very easy to
Yes,
understand.
yes.
Manasa deha geha jo kichu mora.
Ah,
Otpinu tuapade Nanda Kishore.
Nanda Kishore, correct.
Nanda Kishore, what I have got? I have got a restless mind, and I have got my family, home, wife, children, and this body. This is my position. I am not the proprietor of the whole world or universe. But I suppose, I think like that I have got a mind, think like nonsense and do like nonsense, and I have got this body,
Yes,
and I have got my family,
Yes.
so everything I surrender.
correct.
This is surrender. Don't think anything else. What Krishna does not like. That is first surrender. No reservation. There's so much I surrender to Krishna, and I contemplate like this, like that, like that. That is not surrender.
There is no surrender.
What about desires?
Huh?
Desires.
Desire, this is desire. This is desire. That you don't make your desire. Krishna, come, I'll see you. No. Don't make that desire. If Krishna likes, he'll make his, I would say, audience before you. A devotee never says, that Krishna, please come, I'll see you.
Anyway, imitation. God.
Yeah.
As a matter of
There are many songs. Oh, my dear Krishna, please come dancing with your flute, I will see. These are not devotee songs. Krishna will never say, devotee will never say, order, no more.
devotees are the real devotees are gopis.
Simply, he is to carry the order.
Yes.
He is not to make order. That is devotee. Everyone in the material, they worship demigods. Why? Because they can order. Please give me this, can you give me that? Rupang Dehi, Bhajjang Dehi, Jasu Dehi, this Dehi, this Dehi, Dehi. Therefore they go to demigods. But to Krishna, he cannot demand. And therefore they do not go. They do not become Vaishnava. You see, all the devotees of Lord Shiva, they demanded something. My dear Lord Shiva, you are so nice. Please give me this. What do you want? Now I shall touch anyone's head and head will be cut off. All right, that's all. These things you cannot get from Krishna. These things you cannot get from Krishna. Therefore people do not go to Krishna.
Krishna is a more hard task.
Because he cannot, he is God. He cannot accept anyone's order. That is God. If somebody accepts my order, he is not God. He is my servant. Or I make him my servant. That is surrender. No more ordering. God is not order supplier. Although he supplies everything, but not, you
By your
cannot
order.
order. You cannot
According
order.
to his will.
Yeah. He knows everything. Sarvasya Changridi Sannabhishta. He knows what he wants. And he is always, aye, idhar. He knows what is your want. It's like father knows what is the want of the child. But the child never orders, father, give me this.
Nowadays children are नहीं तो हम
Never.
स्कूल में नहीं जाएंगे.
He simply surrendered to father. He is confident my father is there, everything is all right.
My father.
Surrender, then let it not remain my family, and I, myself, I.
Therefore, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, my family also is surrender.
Then it not remain my family. When I surrender,
Yes,
then nothing
actually it is not your thinking, it is illusion. Your illusion that you are maintaining that. That is an illusion.
An illusion
You are
is
not
Maya.
maintaining. That is, you are not maintaining. Just like
And I am not surrendering. What is
I am,
That is you find out.
no, that's,
I surrender.
you are individual soul, part and parcel of
Find
Krishna.
out what is you.
Aham
I surrender,
Brahmasmi.
means what is I?
Huh?
When I say I surrender you,
Yeah,
what is
Yeah.
I means?
you are individual soul,
Your ego.
not ego.
Actually, not ego.
You are individual
Actually,
soul.
Ego is one part of it.
Ego is another covering.
Yellow covering of the ego is surrender. Then
No,
the
no.
soul surrenders automatically.
Ego is covering of the pure soul. So you are pure soul. That is Aham Brahmasmi. I am Brahma. I am not this covering. This covering, Bhumi Rapanara Vayu Khang Mana Buddhi Revacha Ahankara. These are covering, material. Even up to Ahankar.
संघात आते
That is also material.
पीली बाजू चाहिए आपको.
So, when one realizes that I am not this, I am pure soul, part and parcel of Krishna, that surrender is nice. Brahma Bhuta Prasanna Atma Nasuchati Nakankati Samasarvesu Mad Bhakti Ravate Para.
सम सर्वेषु भूतेषु.
Sama, and he knows that all these individual souls, they are all part and parcel of Krishna.
Peacefully abiding in it.
Yeah. Sama Sarveshu Bhuteshu. So therefore they try everyone to bring to Krishna. That is service.
The asamata is Maya.
Yes.
When you consider different people.
So a devotee therefore goes everywhere and begs, please become Krishna conscious. Please become surrender to Krishna. That's all.
Yesterday that film was very good.
Huh? Yes.
I saw it.
Ah.
I saw you dancing also. Last.
Yes.
That was,
Because
that
I
was,
dance, that's what they dance.
that was taken in America, the last part of it.
No, it was in London.
And,
The DT
somebody has
Restaurant.
edited it really very well.
Ah.
The man who edited.
Oh, that Jaduba. He is very good. Where is Jaduba? He is here. His wife, yes. She is Visakha. Their husband and wife, both of them very expert in photography.
But then now shall we switch on to the Maya? That karkhana you have of this.
What is that? That is not mine.
We are talking on that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Why not we start it here? In this we have a very big place.
Where are men?
I can get you men. Will you? No, that I.
Anything which is favorable to our this being Krishna conscious, we accept.
No, we don't want it as a factory.
They are doing that business not for any individual profit.
No, but for the profit of the temple we can have
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
No individual profit.
That we can do.
We can do it here. I know so many people who can.
It's like we are printing this book. And as soon as we take the bunch of books to any gentleman, he pays easily 1100. Take it. Better business. You see? And first of all, I began business of this simply by giving the Krishna book.
How much money you collected? I'm sorry to ask this personal question.
How many members here?
Bombay, we have
All over India, all over.
all over India.
Well,
World.
Kirtan party. And people very gladly. What is this? Bhagavad. All right. Now we have got 6 copies. All right, give me 6 copies. And they ask, they get down from the car as soon as they see our Sankirtan parties. You have got Swami Bhaktivedanta's Bhagavad Gita as it is? Yes. Give me. They ask like that. Injected Krishna consciousness.
yes. मकई डोरा तोड़ता तोड़ता हरे कृष्ण बोलते हैं।
Huh?
मक्का का डोरा तोड़ते के टाइम खेत में भी।
That is also required. Then I'm tending the cows. You see, we are getting 700 pounds milk daily.
This was in
Virginia.
Los Angeles,
Virginia.
Virginia.
Different branches in different states. And the school is in Texas, Dallas. There is immense potential of increasing this movement in America.
In all departments of life you can increase. Even the workers who are in
I say that let there be Sankirtan in factory.
that is what I say. That is what I say. We will start such a factory and do it,
Yeah.
and it will be
No,
an
no,
ideal for
don't
others.
start. Already the factory is there, go and teach them.
We are in America.
Here,
We will
There
be
are so many
ideal and
factories.
let them come and see.
if you actually you are leader, then you induce them to chant Hare Krishna in the factory.
So in the factory itself.
Of course, why not? अरे पर आपने ये मॉडल
Whatever factories are already there,
Yeah.
you begin chanting there.
आपने एक मॉडल बनाइए and then let the fellows follow the model. Small model of 10 boys who will go on chanting.
Operating surgical, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
I am already model.
That's right. Money from the bank.
Because it must be
Krishna is sometimes white also.
He is white.
Asan Varnam.
He is white. He is white in Kruti Yoga.
Sheta,
This is-
Sheta, Shukla Stheta Tatha Rakta, Idanim Krishnatangata. Gargumani, when he was deliberating on the horoscope of Krishna, he said that this child formerly had 3 other colors. Shukla Stheta Tatha Rakta. Shukla Pita Tatha Rakta. Idanim Krishna. Shukla means white.
That he was white in Kruti Yoga. In Tetra he
That
was
is
Rakta.
Krishna. That is
That
Krishna.
is Krishna. And then he was yellow in Dwapar. And because now he is born in Kali Yuga, he is dark.
Not Kali Yuga.
It was in
Dwapar.
Dwapar and Kali Yuga ki sandhi.
Yeah. Now that means Krishna had all the colors. Shukla Rakta Tathapi.
Because all the murti, other murtis in big our temples, as for example in
Then
Dwarka,
in
they are
Gujarat,
all dark color.
that's right. In here, there are white also.
Srinathji dark.
In the Tirupati.
This also dark.
Yeah.
Vishnu is Krishna.
Yeah. Now, I have seen one temple here in Bhuleshwar, Radha Krishna white.
The Maharashtrian temples are all white, excepting
Vithoba.
Vithoba is black.
We have black also.
Yeah.
Some are black, some are. In Texas, Dallas, we have got black. Kala Chand. Contradiction. Chand bhi or Kala bhi.
What about starting a school of teaching Sanskrit here? Where is he? I have been already telling.
Have place to stay.
You have got a place. But in school means, I mean, all these boys, inmates, they learn.
We now are introducing Hindi, Gujarati and Marathi speaking. Where is Manasi? He has gone?
No, but they must talk with people in their own language. They even sometimes they don't understand me talking English because I speak English.
One has to study grammar for 12
Grammar.
years. 12 years.
12 years, yes.
And as soon as one has his mastership on the grammar, he can study all of it.
No, he can be a poet then. The Sanskrit language is poetic in a way.
Yes, yes.
See, if you study grammar properly, and then you can just compose poetry.
Therefore, Lord Brahma is called Adi Kavi. Adi Kavi.
Sanskrit is poetry. You can just compose poetry.
Whole Sanskrit language is in poetry.
Whole Sanskrit language.
Bhagavad Gita is in poetry. Bhagavad is in poetry. Mahabharata in poetry.
90% of the Sanskrit literature is in poetry.
Yes. Why 90? It may be 99.
No, but some of the Kalidas and others, they are interposing the slokas in between. But fast,
Kalidas also in poetry.
no, that is certain, not all. Shakuntala is not in poetry.
Asti Himalaya Nama Nagadhiraja. Asti Uttarashangadisi Himalaya Nama Nagadhiraj.
What is that in? Raghuvans. No,
Raghuvans. Raghuvans.
I studied his.
Raghuvans and Kumar Sambhav. We
Kumar.
studied some portion.
I studied in my college. Kalidas.
Bhattikava is grammar. Poetry for grammar.
Meghdut I studied. Uttar Megh. Tatragaram Ganapati Bhat Uttarena Smadeya Durata.
For materialistic person.
But there also in several places he has entered into a high philosophy. It's not only Kavis can never be a Kavi without a sort of a philosophy in him.
Yeah.
All even the modern Kavis. Philosophy is the very soul of Kavi,
Yeah.
Kavita. I have found it out.
Compact
I am very
in
fond
thought.
of reading English poetry. But there on in English poetry you see so many philosophy.
One line 2 inch and another line 6 inch.
And they recite poetry in the prosaic way.
Yeah.
I have actually.
Walt Whitman.
Mm.
Whitman.
Mm.
Walt Whitman.
Yeah, he's a great poet. I mean,
And,
our Haigreve is very much fond of. You are also?
We must have some poets in this our congregation.
Everyone is poet.
That is the master stroke you gave. This way.
See, without being Kavi,
How?
one cannot become devotee.
काले नासिक जाता नहीं?
जरा लेट
There are 26 qualifications of a devotee. One of them is to become Kavi.
Kavi means the one who knows present, past, and future. Isn't that?
A
According
man of knowledge.
Knowledge means this knowledge.
Yes.
Yesterday only you said that in the fourth this thing. you
That
were-
is perfect knowledge.
Mm.
Hare Ram, Hare Ram.
We were joking when reading this, Tanyaham, what is that? What is that? What was that sloka?
Janma param janma vyavastha.
Tan,
Kathametam vijayani.
Taniyat.
May, June.
Mine is in May, yours in June. That was the great joke we had.
The interpreters do like
May and June.
May.
Understand the joke? No.
Yes.
You were born in June. Which June? 4th June. And I was born in May. Like that.
As Chanakya Slok. The Chanakya Slok है पंडितानाम गुणा सर्वे मूर्ख दोषा ही जीवन. पंडित का सब गुण ही गुण है, मूर्ख खाली दोषित. Now we used to make meaning like this. The Pandit, he is qualified. The only defect is that he is a mooch. Those, only those.
The Sanskrit, you said so many, some of the slokas are so. There is one slok. Keshavam patitam drashva pandavaha sanirvara kauravaha rudanti cha haha keshav. Ke means water in the water and shav means dead body. That way it is right. But how can Keshav be ever be falling and Pandavas would be Harsha Nirbhara? So he's
Was it? Did he have some particular pastime? Some
Hare Krishna. क्या पेपर में आया? Another rascal will go.
But then, how to convert this rascal?
That is Krishna consciousness movement.
इन लोगों को इधर लाके बोलो जमीन में डांटो इतना डांट के छोड़ देने का जंगल में ले जाके नथिंग टू बी डन नो
That's it.
धन धर्म धान्य
Is no longer existing.
गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट एग्जिस्टिंग बाय रूल ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट नो नॉट बाय
There is no such. They chant very peacefully. Father and mother is sophisticated.
I think the sun is puja is there.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Very well. But their father will not say. Hare Ram. We shall wait.